Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix chat message limit reach in TikTok. If you're using TikTok and you're facing this type issue that whenever you try to message anyone on TikTok, you see an error which is chat message limit reach, you will not be able to send more messages to this user. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing is that you just have to simply go back and here you have to open your TikTok app and just tap on your profile option in the bottom right. Then tap on three horizontal lines in the top right. Now tap on settings and privacy here. Just select clear data option. Here's the free up space. Just select that. And here you just have to tap on this clear downloads and also clear cache. Here's going to have a lot of cache. I'm going to clear this. Just tap on clear. Then tap on clear again. It will clear cache. Now I'm going to clear downloads also. So once you have cleared cache and downloads, you have to retry to chat or message them person. Or you can also try to update your app. So just go to your app store or Play Store, search for TikTok, and you just have to make sure that you haven't any pending update for your TikTok app. If you find, just try to update your app. After updating, you'll not get any kind of issue. Or if you're facing the issue that the person with which you are trying to chat they have restrictions on their account. So sometimes it might be that you have to send chat request or the message request. So you have to request to the second person to accept your message request. And once you have expected or accepted your message request, you will not any kind of issue and you can easily chat with them. Or if you are having the issue with the chat which you have accepted your request, but you're still facing the issue, you just have to try to delete the chat. So just keep a long press on the chat, then tap on this delete option, then tap on delete again. It will delete the chat. Now go to profile. You will find them in your following on the follower section. You just have to select and here just select the profile and just tap on the message option. And here you have to retry to send message. So basically it will clear all the messages you have sent to the person or they have sent you, so you'll not get any message limit anymore. So in this way you can easily fix that message limit rates on TikTok. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.